how to buy Hispanic Doge token. So this token came under the symbol of Doncho or Doncho, I guess. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account as you can see and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is just listed in the last 17 hours ago. And as you can see, it's increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap is only $48,000 and the volume it's $800,000. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That means your investment in a safe place. So this token it's trending right now in number 4 on the explainer. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet for that. For example, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Ethereum network from here, click on this plus icon and paste the token address to be able to add it to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Now scroll down, as you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Hispanic Doge token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.